All right, let's talk about money, everybody's favorite topic, especially when we don't have enough of it, right? Now, we hear this all the time. You need multiple streams of income. Sounds great, but let's be real. Not everyone is in the same boat. A 23-year-old dude with no responsibilities can dive into 4 different side hustles. But a 36-year-old single mom, she's juggling work, school drop-offs, cooking, and trying to remember if she even ate lunch today. So let's break this down in a way that makes sense for everyone. Whether you're fresh out of college, raising kids, or just trying to figure out why your bank account disappears faster than your paycheck, this is for you. Let me hit you with some facts. Back in the day, our parents and grandparents had one job, stayed for 30 years, and retired with a nice pension. Today, companies will lay you off over a Zoom call with a "thanks for your service" email. That's why we can't rely on just one income. Think of it like a table. One leg breaks, and boom, everything crashes. But if you've got 4 or 5 legs, you can lose one and still stay standing. Now, I know what some of y'all are thinking. I don't have time for a side hustle. Listen, I get it, but here's the thing. You don't have to do everything at once. Maria, a single mom, started a baking business from home, but she didn't jump in full time. She started selling cupcakes at her kids' school events. Word spread, and now she's got orders coming in from all over town. She didn't need a fancy business plan, just an oven, a passion, and some kids who love sugar. And then there's Kevin, who was driving Uber on weekends but turned it into a content hustle. He started making TikToks about crazy passenger stories, got a following, and now companies pay him to advertise. See, a side hustle doesn't have to be a second job. It just has to be something that works for you. Multiple streams look different for everyone. If you've got extra time, maybe a freelance gig. If you've got kids, maybe an online business you run after bedtime. If you love talking, start a podcast. If you have a hobby, turn it into a digital product. Let's make it real practical. Here's a simple breakdown. If you have 1 hour a day, try freelancing, Upwork, Fiverr, tutoring, etc. If you have a skill you can teach, create an online course or an ebook. If you have a car, rideshare, delivery, or rental services. If you have a network, affiliate marketing, content creation, or reselling. The trick is to start small but stay consistent. Success isn't about speed, it's about momentum. Now let's address the elephant in the room, challenges. Because let's be honest, it's not always smooth sailing. Maybe you start a business and no one buys. Maybe you put out content and no one watches. It's discouraging, right? But let me tell you something. Every successful person you admire has faced the same struggles. Think about your favorite YouTuber. Their first videos? Probably terrible. The first 5, 10, maybe even 50 videos got little traction. But they kept going. Or, let's take J.K. Rowling. She got rejected by 12 publishers before Harry Potter became a global phenomenon. Imagine if she had quit after the 5th rejection. The key is resilience. Keep learning, keep adjusting, and most importantly, keep going. Now, here's where things get exciting. Passive income. The dream, right? Making money while you sleep. But let's clear up a myth. Passive income is never passive at first. You have to put in the work up front. Think of it like planting a tree. You water it, nurture it, and for a while, it feels like nothing is happening. But one day, it grows roots, and then, boom, you've got a strong, steady source of shade. Or, in our case, money. Some common passive income streams: investing, stocks, dividends, real estate, long-term wealth, digital products, ebooks, courses, printables, create once, sell forever, affiliate marketing, promote products you love and earn commissions, rental income, real estate, or even renting out a spare room. Start with one and build from there. The goal is to work smarter, not harder. At the end of the day, the goal isn't to work 24/7. It's to create options. Imagine waking up one day and knowing your bills are covered. No stress. That's why you start now, no matter your situation. And remember, success isn't reserved for special people. The only difference between them and you, they started. So let's start. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more wealth-building content. Remember, financial freedom is within your reach. You just have to claim it. Until next time, keep striving, keep building, and keep elevating your financial future. This is Elevate Me Finance. Your path to wealth starts now. We want to give a huge shout out to Mark Bless 419 for this amazing video idea. If you want to get a shout out in our next video, drop a comment below. Let us know what you think of today's topic and what you want us to cover next. We're here for you. See you in the next one.